from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a Peugeot 307 here on a 2002 plate. Customer come in, he had a little tail sticking out. It's not really a tail, but it's broken. He hasn't got a new one, but you can see where it's broken from. And I had to lubricate it as well, because this nut here it was literally mega tight. It was quite rusty. So what I've done is I've sprayed some maintenance spray on there, left it for about 5-10 minutes. And then what I did was with the 13mm spanner, so if I get the 13mm spanner in there, so all I was doing is bringing it down, locking it up, opening it, locking it, opening it, locking it. So with that way, you're not going to really damage anything. So if you do that, keep doing it till it's loose. Right, this is still very tight, so I'm going to keep doing this. So there's no point you lot watching this, so I'm going to pause this for a sec and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back again. So I've now loosened it up, as you can see there. So it's nice and loose. Now good thing about this particular wiper here, I'm not going to be putting a new one on because we ain't got one. Customer hasn't bought me one, but I did say to him just remove it because it was just flapping about. So that's what I'm doing. Usually on this one, if I just take it out, now this has come out nice and easy, as you can see right there. So all he needs is a new one, slots in, screw it in, job done. But sometimes what happens is this inside washer bit here, which usually gets stuck on here, and then they never come out. When they don't come out, then there's a problem. All you do, you need to sort of use a little saw or something, you know, to just cut the edges off and then try to sort of remove it that way. As you can see how thin that is. So you only need to just cut one side off and then use a plier and then just wiggle and then remove it. That's all it is on this model now. But at least it looks a lot better without a tail. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.